We have a relatively small project that we're doing for Gulf South in Louisiana.
It's a scheduled pipeline outage. They're doing 8 miles of integrity testing, and we will go out there and supply them with gas while they're testing this pipeline. And it will take them about 25 to 30 days to do this.
In that project, what we would do is we would take the compression and we will tie it into a valve site that they have identified for us.
We load gas on one side and we deliver it on the other side of the pipeline where they're fixing it. And it's going to be cold, so we have a lot of customers that we want to make sure the gas is kept on.
Essentially, you have a small town that is going to be without gas because of a disruption in the pipe, testing or whatever work they have to do to the pipe. So we will take gas from a high pressure pipeline about 30 miles away from the town, and we will fill our trailers there with our big compressor unit. The trailers will haul the gas to the city, deliver the gas by depressurizing it into our regulation unit and deliver it to the town. And then we'll have 2 people working around the clock monitoring the delivery and the pressures in the city. And in order to deploy, we have to take 4 of our compressed tube trailers, and we have to take a compressor, and we have to take a service truck for the compressor and a service truck for our regulation unit.
It'll be a caravan moving in there. So we're taking one of our full compressors out to this job. It's one of our largest ones. We refer to her as Thelma. The other one is Louise, and they're temperamental, but it's very fast loading. And we're taking 3 or 4 trailers out there, and I'll have 4 or 5 of my guys out there monitoring 24/7.
We pump the gas up to the pressures required to fill up the tube trailer. We then drive the tube trailer down to a location to put it back into the pipe so it serves whatever market they want us to serve. And when we offload it at the 3,000 pounds, the offload regulator will bring it back down to the pressure that's required in the pipe to serve the customers.
Well, it means that business goes on as usual. All of the restaurants are open. It's going to be cold. Everybody has heat. Everybody's fireplace logs are going to be working. There will be absolutely no disruption.